it's been a while since I told you I loved you, and it's been a while since I made up for all the times I did you wrong. You know I get so busy, and you sticking with me is something that I don't wanna forget. Knowing, girl, I'm gonna show you how much.
Hey, what's up, Doggo Army? So yeah, it's me and the pups again. Yeah. Honey isn't here right now. She is at the spa, apparently. Yeah, she's at the spa. And, oh my, sorry for that, guys. Here's the pups. Once again. Yeah? Okay, I need to feed the doggos. Let's do it. You guys can feed them with me. Let's go. You guys can feed them with me. No, this. Okay. Okay. So what I usually do is take this cup and then. Oh no. Ah! Frick. How am I supposed to do this? Oh no, it's not open. How am I supposed to get it open? Oh, shoot. Oops. Looks like it is open. Oopsie. It's a little bit hard because I'm holding the camera while I'm giving their food. Need to throw this water out. Not gonna taste nice when there's water in your food. I can see that they're hungry. Ah. Oh no, that's a little bit too much. Ah. Well, I mean, so long as they get food, then it's fine. That's a little bit more, see? And more water goes out. Okay. Yeah. That's basically how I give them food. Come on. Yeah, I know you guys are hungry. Wait a little bit longer. I think that they're hungry. Water goes out. They already have a water bowl. Okay. It's so much harder when you're actually holding a camera. It's so much harder when you're holding a camera. There. And then a little bit more. Okay. Now one last cup. And there you go. Put it back on. Then they have dinner. Or lunch. I don't know. You guys tell me. You tell me. I don't know. Yes, they're actually hungry. Hello. She's so soft. Hello, Milo. Hello, Hero. Sky. Skykey. Hello. Yeah. Angel's still just sitting there. Minding her own business. Oh no, that's Honey. Oh, that's Honey. Oh, okay. Yeah. My back is broken. I'm getting too old. Eh. Yeah, like there's a water bowl and then their food are ready to eat. Just hope they actually eat it. Yeah, I never actually showed you how it looks inside. This is basically how it looks inside. It's actually so spacious. And then it's just like, hey, no growling. Oh well. It stinks, of course. She usually growls when something... Oh. Okay. Yeah. It's just so actually peaceful. Just so peaceful. And guys, I'm at... what do I want to say? Oh no, I can't remember. But that's fine. Yeah. Okay guys, so hope you enjoyed this video. And subscribe if you're new, and hey! And hope you find happiness here with me. If you don't, it's fine. It's fine. If you find happiness somewhere else, it's fine with me, so long you find happiness. And yeah, I have actually a very big dream, so please make it happen. And if I don't post long videos anymore, or that long videos anymore, I want to focus more on my music because I'm writing songs and making melodies for the songs and that stuff, and it actually takes a lot of your time. Like I started with one song and then like 5 hours passed, like gone. I didn't even know. And yeah, so I'm focusing more on my music now and everything. And yeah, so subscribe with the notification bell to never miss an upload, so you never miss one of my gaming videos, my music videos, or my vlogs with these pups. You guys will regret it if you guys missed it. And yeah, just hope you enjoyed this video. And guys, oh yeah, if you want to see me do pranks on my brother, guys, request what I should do. Like pranks on my twin brother or my brother, and yeah. Peace.